everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. So in today's video I'm going to make a very fast and quick recipe, and this recipe is Italian recipe. So these are the few ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. I have some potatoes chopped into cubes, I have some grated carrots, I have some bacon, some red and white onion, some parsley, black pepper, salt, and I also have some Maggi cubes, and I have the spring onions, the dry one. Now also I'm going to use some olive oil. I have about 3 tablespoons of olive oil here. So these are the few ingredients I'm going to use. So guys, if this is your first time in this channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can also share and subscribe to my channel. So now let's get started. So guys, my water is already boiling. I'm just going to add some salt into the water. Then I'll pour in my chopped potatoes. This potato, I'm just going to cook it for just 5 minutes. You don't want to cook your potato too much, because I don't want the potato to be too soft. So now potatoes is ready. I'm just going to sieve it and leave it to cool down. So here is my frying pan. I'm just going to pour in my bacon, and I'm going to stir fry all the ingredients that I introduced to you guys before. You don't need to add any oil into your fry pan, because the bacon has its own oil. We don't need too much oil in this recipe. So now I'm just going to pour in my red and white onion. I'm going to stir fry the onion as well. It's time for me to add the carrots. I add my black pepper, the spring onion, I'll add the Maggi cube. So I will stir fry everything together very well. This recipe is so easy to do. Anybody can do this recipe, and it's so good, guys. Try it out. I love this recipe so much. It's a very easy and fast food. So I just want to stir fry this thing for about 5 minutes. Then I'll pour in my potatoes. So I just have to stir fry everything together. I just want to stir fry and mix everything very well. I'll leave it for about 5 minutes, because you don't need to cook all these vegetables too much. I'll just add a little olive oil, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So guys, can you see these beautiful colors that I'm seeing here? This is yummy. So guys, I'm just going to add the parsley. Wow, what a beautiful colors. So you give it a nice stir. And guys, you don't need to cook the vegetable too much, because if not, you lose the taste of the vegetables. our food is ready. So guys, as you can see, it's so easy to make, very fast. Anybody can do this. So guys, try it out. You'll see it's so yummy. And I want to say a very big thank you to you all guys that have watched this video. Please, if you have been watching my video, watching, you have not yet subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of my videos. And for my old subscribers that always come back to watch my video, thank you so much. I appreciate and I love you guys so much. So this recipe is Italian recipe. I've eaten this recipe several times in my friend's place. I've made it in my own house. It's so good guys, so try it out. And I want to say bye, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Ciao.